Hey guys, my name is Abur Agarwal. Hope you are having an amazing day. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I put out videos related to fitness, fashion, and a lot of other stuff which you don't want to miss out. I've talked about a lot of stuff which every guy should own, from jeans to t-shirts, from jackets to shoes, but today we are going to talk about shirts. Shirts are really essential for a guy. If you are skinny, it will make you look more bulked up. If you are muscular, it will make you look more aesthetic, but only if you wear the right one. So today I'll be telling you guys 5 shirts which I believe every guy should own. So if that sounds interesting, let's get into the video. So the first one is checked shirts. The best type of shirts for teenagers and college goers. Look guys, college is all about being casual. When you get bored with t-shirts, checked shirts will come in handy a lot. Colors like blue, red are the most common ones and they look the best. You can experiment with black and white as well. Just have one of them in your closet. A check shirt with a damaged jeans and white sneakers is literally one of the best combo out there. So do not miss on this opportunity. Now the second type of shirt which every guy should own is a blue denim. Now when majority of the guys think about denim, they always go for jackets. But you cannot wear it all the time. You have to pair it with something or the other. But when it comes to blue denim shirts, you can just wear it and it will look great. You can tuck it in if you want a more formal look. You can just leave it out if you are going for a casual look. You can even wear t-shirts inside it for a more casual look. You can literally wear a denim shirt in so many ways. That's why it's important to have at least one. Also, the quality of the denim should be considered as well. H&M, Zara and Jack & Jones have the best denim. So save some money and buy it from there. You will not regret it. Now, the third shirt is a small sleeves shirt. Now, shirts are usually long sleeve. You can roll them up, you can button them up, but there are some small sleeves as well. If you are someone who is fit, at least have some muscles on his body, then you should definitely have a small sleeve shirt with you. Also, don't shy away from light colors. This should be your go-to during summers. You can wear it for pubs, parties, colleges. They are literally the most versatile piece of clothing out there. Now, the fourth shirt is a black and white formal. Now, everything I said before is on one side, but formals are in a league of their own. Maybe right now you don't want to wear them, but you cannot wear a suit without one. You cannot give a presentation without one. You cannot go for an interview without one. So it's important to have at least a white formal shirt and a black formal shirt. The most important thing when wearing a formal shirt is the fit. Make sure that it fits your body. The fit is really important when it comes to formal. You don't want to mess with it. Throw up a trouser and loafers with it and you are good to go. Now the last and the fifth shirt which every guy should own is a floral shirt. Now this is something which I personally don't like that much, but you need to have one. It's the best if you want to throw a casual vibe. Going out with your boys, visiting places like Goa, they are the best for them. Floral shirts with shorts and loafers look so different and good. So these were the 5 shirts which I believe every guy should own. If you want to know more about these kind of topics, then make sure to check out my other videos as well. Also, if you are looking to start your own fitness journey, then make sure to DM me on Instagram. I post a lot of stuff over there as well. So that's it guys for today. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.
I got a premonition, I'm dreaming you and I. All my darkest fears are coming outside. We got a billion reasons, we got this melody. And you can trust me baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me when